Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm doing a quick video as part of my June theme, which is June Jars and Pantry Stars. And it's a little loud here, so I'm sorry. I'll do a voiceover for part of it, but I am making a macaroni salad. I had 2 partial boxes in the pantry. And I cooked it up, and it's dill pickle salad. I started making it a few years ago. I still make my traditional, but we like this for a change. So come on down and we will make this as one of my pantry stars using things in my fridge and the pantry that I have on hand. Perfect for all the parties this summer and all the barbecues and family reunions and July 4th parties. So it would be about 8 ounces of pasta that I would do for this, but I'll have the recipe down below. Let's add all our ingredients. I did put a half a cup of dill pickle juice in and stir that in with the pasta. And then we're going to add a third a cup of diced onion. I used a sweet onion, 1 cup of sliced up dill pickles, a cup of diced cheddar cheese or cheese of your choice, and 1 tablespoon of dill weed. And that is all the ingredients. If you wanted to add some chicken or some ham to it, you could, but the recipe really didn't call for that. And it's actually has enough flavor and is filling enough without adding that. Now let's make the dressing. First, we're going to start off with 2/3 a cup of mayonnaise. You can use your mayonnaise of choice. I like using Hellmann's, and you could use light even if you wanted. But 1/3 a cup of mayonnaise is the first step for the dressing. And add that into my bowl. And then we're going to get 1/3 a cup of sour cream. And it's 2/3 a cup of mayonnaise. I'm not sure if I said that wrong. So 2/3 a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 a cup of sour cream. And then we will add some dill pickle juice to this also to thin it out. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of dill pickle juice. And it gives it just a zip, kind of like if you add vinegar, but this has more flavor to it. And then we need to add some black pepper, about a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a 1/2 tablespoon of dill weed. And there's the pepper. I said those backwards, but add those dry spices, and then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Salt it to taste. In my opinion, it doesn't need much salt. And then stir it up and combine it and make it so it's all smooth and the spices are evenly dispersed. I switched to a little whisk, and that actually went a lot easier to get everything combined and smooth so that I could pour it onto the salad. But it makes a good amount of dressing. Now we're going to pour the dressing on top of the salad, and I'm going to scrape out everything from that bowl because you do need all the dressing. It will look wet after we blend it in, but it does soak in and absorb into the pasta. So you do need that much dressing. And just keep going to the bottom and stirring and getting it all mixed together. Let's do a little taste test. It's going to taste better once it sets up. But it tastes pretty good right now. Now you can do any variations you want. I have thought about putting ugly chicken in it, and that would be good. This is going to go in the fridge, covered up, and the flavors will soak in more. But this is an easy, inexpensive pasta salad to take to any gathering, and something a little unexpected. This is one of my pantry star recipes using the dill weed I always keep in my pantry, using macaroni I always have in my pantry, I always have my home canned pickles, or I always have some that I have bought when they're on sale. And then the dairy that we keep stocked. The cheese, the sour cream, and the mayonnaise. I always have mayonnaise in my pantry. Dill pickle macaroni salad. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.